By the way, I brought you a very potential customer.
Oh, thank you. So it's a 1938. David's going to tell us a little bit about it. So they made 138 of them? 39, sorry. Iron heads.
High compression iron heads, large intakes, special cylinders, special cams, special carburetors, special clutch, special primary covers, special gearbox. It's a short throw gearbox with a special shift gate on it, with drop bars, all factory.
And then tell them about the numbers. They are real numbers.
WLDR 1938.
Come get you some of that. All right, David, tell me about it.
Has a rebuilt engine with 040 pistons in it.
Okay.
Has a rebuilt gearbox, a rebuilt clutch, a rebuilt Linkert original carburetor, a rebuilt 32E 6-volt generator, new battery, new wiring harness, an original speedometer, original tanks, original fenders, 16-inch wheels, which had become standard already. The headlight has marked Guide, the tail light is marked Harley Davidson, and the horn is marked Delco. They are replicas, but they're the best replicas you could buy, as long as all the other parts on it that are replica, it's about 80 to 85% original. And this piece here is an original Superior product that was made by Atlas, I believe. And it's a steering damper cover.
And the speedometer is original.
All restored.
Yeah, beautiful. Another beautiful one from David.